Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Semrush for SEO. Let's begin. Semrush is one of the most comprehensive tools for SEO, offering features for keyword research, competitor analysis, site audits, backlink tracking, and more. Now, one of the most important thing to do before you can use this platform for an SEO purposes is going to be going to the website, all right, and then log in using your credentials. If you haven't already, this is the perfect opportunity for you to create an account by clicking this sign up button. You can use any of the following options. You can use your Google, or you can use your personal or even your business email. And by following the on-screen instructions, you should be able to navigate to the main SEO dashboard. All right. Now, the first that I wanted you to do, if you wanted to rank up your SEO, or if you have if you're going to create an SEO efforts, all right, or ranking up your SEO and whatnot, I need you to conduct a site audit. All right. How do we do that? You see on the bottom right, bottom left corner, you see there's an on-page and tech SEO. Site audit is the number one in our list because that is there for a reason. Click on the site audit. In this page, you might want to enter your domain or enter a domain of your competition. All right. It doesn't matter what's your purpose. I don't have a specific website with me. I don't own a domain, but instead I'm going to type in maybe a Shopify here. Or maybe youtube.com. For example, we're going to conduct a site audit for youtube.com. Or let me try shopify.com. And press enter. So, as you can see, once you set up a crawl for your website, for example, your website is shopify.com, you might want to review issues related to a technical SEO, on-page SEO, HTTPS implementation, and prioritize fixing errors and warnings. You see, if you want to set up the site audit health, click that and you would be forwarded here. All right. So now we're going to limit the check pages to around 100 because if you do 1,000, it requires a pro plan for your website. So we're going to limit that for 100 since we're on the free trial. All right. Website, you can choose any of the following: sitemaps on site, enter sitemap URL or URLs from file. We're not going to deal with that. We'll just leave it. You see, we're about to reach our monthly limit for crawled pages. I'm almost there. But for now, let's skip that and click the color settings. And if you don't have any coding background or technical expertise, just leave it as it is. All right, I'm not going to mess with that. Now I'm going to click the start site audit. It'll take a little while, depending on the complexity or the data sets for your website. All right. You see, this is the first thing when you click on site audit. All right. You might want to download the log and try to fix errors. And if you have any questions, please put the technical support. Now, from there, I want you to exit that. Download the log for now. Another option that you can do is to perform a keyword research. All right. We have a separate video on how to use all these tools that you might want to check in our channel. Number one is Keyword Strategy Builder, Backlink Gap, Keyword Gap, Link Building Tool. But the most important part here, after the site audit, knowing the errors and what you need to fix or want to prioritize, is to click the Keyword Magic tool. Because here, you need to type in a seed keyword related to your niche. All right. For example, if you're into financial, you might want to, or insurance, you might want to click on loans. This keyword research will be part of your SEO efforts. All right. Once you enter the seed keyword to your niche, you might analyze the metrics such as search volume by number or volume. If you do that, you see the keywords that is related to your industry, which is loans, particularly if you're in the financial and insurance niche. You see, there's a lot: calculator, student, home. You see this. We also have a separate video on how to use these tools on finding long tail keywords. It's all part of an SEO effort. Now, after analyzing the search volume, the keyword difficulty, you see the percentage. If you see any mark here, for example, red, that means 90 is red. It's very hard. Yellow stands for difficult. Right here, difficult is around 50 to 69. So you might want to make sure that you look for the a lot easier in terms of the keyword difficulties, because that is an initial step for you to rank up and go for the SEO strategy efforts. Another thing here, you might want to identify again the long tail keywords with moderate search volume and low competition. And again, you see, these are going to be some of the long tail keywords that you can use because the difficulty is around 0. You have your chance to start ranking up new pages, and that is going to be a lot helpful for you to continue with your SEO efforts and build a new strategy. All right, you might want to type all of these in a Google Docs or an Excel sheet manually, or copy and paste, because if you click on export, what will happen is it would require you to upgrade to the pro plan. If you don't have the capacity yet to upgrade to that, I highly suggest you copy all of these, maybe put it in say for example a Google Sheet, Google Docs, or Microsoft Word, or Excel sheet, or Microsoft Excel. All right, and then after doing all of these, I need you to go to the keyword strategy builder, because this is the perfect opportunity for you to evaluate all the information that you gathered about individual keywords, such as your loans, all right, including search trends, features, and variations. After conducting a site audit, getting the keyword magic tool, you might wanna, you see, streamline your keyword research process. You can save hours of manual work with the building a strategy here. It's very easy. Choose a topic, which is going to be loans. We did the seed keywords and build a content from this strategy. If you create a list from that, it'll require you to go to the plan. But the thing is, here in the keyword strategy builder, it would have you analyze the competitions, and then from there, for example, if you wanted to create a plan, say create a blogs and articles using all of these keywords, and then maybe make a deal from the potential websites that offers backlinking. All right, you can use the keyword gap and the backlink gap tools to identify opportunities to outperform the competitors. Now, I'm not gonna deal with this entirely because we have a separate video that you might want to check in relation to your SEO efforts on how to use and utilize Semrush. This is an amazing platform for SEO related purposes. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.